Hi, it's Fias Tarot. Hello, Pisces placements, your general and current situation in love. So, titingnan natin kung ano magiging takbuhan. No? So, again, before tayo mag-start, kung hindi ka pa nakapag-subscribe, please do subscribe and hit the notification bell para lagi po tayong maging updated sa mga mangyayari pa lang. And syempre, kung may tanong pagdating sa private reading, just message me sa akin pong FB page for more info. Ganon rin pagdating po sa ating mga items. Okay? So, kung may tanong kayo pagdating kay protection sa mga evil eye, yan, kay ring, bracelet, yan, kay necklace, ayan, okay? And syempre, kay love bracelet, and kay granter necklace, and kay cord cutting natin. So, yes, don't forget na sa FB page po tayo magme-message. Okay? Hindi po sa comment section kasi hindi namin makikita lahat yan. Okay? So, yes. And please don't forget to follow, to subscribe yung ating second YouTube channel na Love Letter. And syempre yung atin din pong isa pang YouTube channel na about animals. So yung mga mahihilig dyan sa animals, so rescue animals, so nandyan sa description box below. So help na lang natin rin na makakuha ng mga followers and subscribers. Okay, so support. Thank you. Okay, let's start the reading. Pisces placements. In general, anong meron for you, Pisces? The Hermit. Could be dealing with the Virgo. The Hermit. Ano naman tong bagong to? King of Swords in reverse. Some of you, ikaw itong may plano pero sabihin nating ikaw lang nakakaalam. Tinatago muna. Nagkakaroon ka ng plano. Yeah, the Wheel of Fortune. So, mas maganda. Okay, mas maganda kung talagang isisikreto mo lang muna. Okay, yeah, I think this is new. Okay? Something new. I'm seeing here acceptance. Yes. Changes overall, like sa mindset mo, something like that. Avoiding negative energies. Yeah. So what else for you, Pisces? The Eight of Wands. For some of you, this is travel. Iba sa inyo may travel pero may makakalimutan, parang ganyan, so babalikan. That's so specific. Okay? Some of you have to move forward and focus on stability, growth, progress. Enough with the past. The Six of Swords in reverse. Ang nangyayari dyan, hindi ka magiging healed or sabihin nating lalala lang yung mga sitwasyon, mga may maaapektuhan sa mga current na sitwasyon mo sa ngayon because of the ano lang, the past, no? So yeah, forget about it. May narinig akong ganon, forget about it. Yeah, the Ace of Cups in reverse, the Moon, wala kang sinayang. Okay, so sasayangin mo lang yung kung ano man ang meron, kung ikaw itong isip doon sa kung ano mang meron sa past. So, wag manghihinayang if ever. Mas manghinayang sa mga pwede pang mangyari. Okay? So, what else? The Nine of Cups in reverse. What's that? Alam mo, Pisces, ikaw itong parang unfulfilled dreams, no? Ng isang fire sign, ng isang Virgo, or ng, another water sign. Parang unfulfilled. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. The Eight of Swords. Somebody's thinking of you. Day and night, losing sleep. Yan, this person. Okay? You're focusing on their work to avoid or para may divert yung energy. Para hindi sila isip ng isip. But yeah, meron ditong nangihinayang actually. Yeah, the Queen of Wands universe. Somebody na may mga insecurities. They have, sabihin nating, hindi sila confident enough, maybe. Person talaga na sabihin nating, yeah, the Four of Cups. Panghihinayang eh. Nangihinayang tong taong to. I don't know why. Kung anong meron sa inyo. Again, they're stalking you. They're stalking you. Some of them gusto nila ng another chance. Pero, yeah. Sabi nga, if this is about past, pwedeng maka-apekto sa current na mga sitwasyon. Okay? So, next, let's see. What's for you in love? I mean, ano ang takbuhan? Sitwasyon nyo, current situation ninyo sa love. Let's see. Anong situation ninyo, Pisces? Situation. Okay. The Three of Wands in reversed. Three of Wands in reversed. Six of Wands in reversed. This is Nine of Wands in reversed. Some of you may nangyari ditong nakakatamad na to. I'm hearing then a lot of jealousy. Pagdating sa situation, yeah, hindi na pagkakaintindihan, hindi na kayo nagkakaintindihan ng taong to. Meron ditong nang-down, meron ditong nang iiwan talaga kasi pwedeng feeling, somebody's feeling left out, like, parang ano eh, ganito ginagawa ko, ikaw ganito lang, parang ganyan, kumparahan, parang may ganyan. So, nakakapagod yung energy. Yeah. Four of Cups. Parang lahat na lang challenge. Or, I mean, competition. Parang, yeah, the Nine of Wands. The Hermit. Could be Virgo. Wala na ditong sabihin nating, yeah, this is like stress. Stress. Hindi na pagkakaintindihan, hindi na, yeah, meron nakakaramdam na ng jealous. Parang meron ng mga hindi magawa or sabihin nating may pagtalikod na nga, no? Parang may iwanan ako nakikita rito. May ganong na pakiramdam pagdating sa sitwasyon. Okay, so let's see ano ba ang meron pagdating sa person. Okay, ano bang meron sa kanya? How are they? How's your person, Pisces? The Two of Cups in reversed. So it's like merong gap pagdating sa emotion. What's with that? Yeah. The Three of Swords. They're in pain actually. They're hurt. Yeah, hurt. Naririnig ko devastated. Hindi naman siguro, no? Pero, yeah, they're in pain. They're sad about the separation. I'm seeing here separation, endings. Okay? Para itong ano, situation na phoenix ng phoenix ng phoenix. Okay, pero hindi nag-grow. parang may something na kulang na ingredients, no? Para masabing okay. Parang ganon. Lagi lang may kulang. Lagi lang may hinahanap. Parang ganon. Anyway, so, yeah. I don't know, some of you, there could be third party here. Some of you. Okay? So, ano bang emosyon talaga sa'yo ni person mo ngayon? Like, ngayon mismo. The Chariot. Moving forward. Yeah, and the Four of Wands, Universe. Sabihin natin tinatanggap nila yung energy pagdating sa separation. Yes. Pero they're stalking you. Some of them, may chance na kumukonect sa ibang tao. Okay, para maka-move on. Para maka-move on. Pero, sabihin natin, walang solid na plano itong taong to. Talaga, pagdating sa kanyang sarili. Okay? So, kailangan lang niya something like makasurvive or maging okay sa araw na to. Parang ganun. And not thinking long term. Parang ganyan. Okay? They're still holding back. Or sabihin natin, kinikip ka pa rin ang taong to. Hindi pa sila totally nakaka-move on. Pero they're trying. Pero, like sabihin natin, they want to heal pero in the wrong way. Okay? Wrong way of healing. It's like bypassing healing. Yeah. Let's see. What is their next action towards you? This mid-April. Two of Wands. This is like waiting. Some of them, they're in a crossroads. What's with that? Okay, so Ten of Pentacles. Some of them, they're confused whether bumalik, whether makipag-ayos or whatsoever. Like, focusing sa pera nila, parang ganyan. Pera or love, like that. Okay? So, yeah, no communication. Some of you, I'm hearing blockages here. Blockage. Mga ganyan. So, medyo malabo na makakarinig ka mula sa kanya if ever you're waiting for a message. Okay, so let's see what's the potential outcome this mid-April. Potential outcome / advice kung meron. The Knight of Cups in first and the Nine of Swords. Wag na wag kayong mag-i-initiate, wag na wag kayong gagawa ng kung anumang pakikipag-reunite or reconnect. Kasi gugulo lang ng sobra. Okay? Yung inyong sitwasyon. Hindi ko nakikita ma-fix, lalong may drama. Okay? Lalong magkakaroon ng drama. So, mas maganda kung sa tingin ninyo, hindi na lang muna kumunik or makipag-usap whatsoever, mas maganda. Okay, mas maganda. Hindi ko kasi nakikita na magiging stable or consistent kung kayo ay magiging or magkakabalikan or magkakausap. Okay, ngayong mid-April. Okay? So, stop thinking, stop overthinking. Iba sa inyo, gabi na, as in malalim na ang gabi, gising pa. Okay? Yeah, avoid nyo muna. Avoid nyo muna yung commitments or reconnection whatsoever. Yeah. Hanggat maaari, wag pong ko-connect, wag makikipag-usap kung ano man. Hindi pa to ayos eh. I think this is just recent. Okay? So, masyado pang fresh to. Raw. Parang ganyan. Kung kayo magbabalikan, well, expect ninyo drama. Okay? So, there. Anyway. So, let's see. All signs are through Pisces. For you, Pisces placements. Pisces. Aries through Pisces. Zodiac sign you're dealing with or dealt with. Okay, Aries. Holding back. Still keeping you. Parang ganyan. Taurus. Parang dineded mo ka ni Taurus, no? Parang. Gemini. Pero some of you itong si Taurus, they're just giving you mixed signals. I think they like you though. Gemini, confusion. There's conflict. Some of them, they're like playing mind games, head games. Taurus, I don't know, why Taurus? Cancer, still on their head. You're living in their head rent-free. Yeah. Inisip ka palagi ni Cancer. Leo, they have this love offer. Yeah, offering a love offer. Ano daw? Offering their cup of love. So, Virgo, they're sad. Okay, there's these secrets. They're mirroring you, I think. Libra, they like you. But yeah, they're keeping, sabihin natin it's secret, or maybe they're just like playing mind games, head games. Scorpio, they're not stable. Some of them, they're not ready to commit. Sagittarius, they want to heal. Pero some of them, they want to go back. They want na magkaroon ng makikipag-ayos. But yeah, this is just a repeat, a cycle, I think. So, Capricorn, they want your attention. They want to flirt. This is like flirt. Aquarius, no actions at all. Okay? No effort. Some of them, they're not sincere. So, Pisces, this is dropping. Maybe you have to drop this Pisces, or maybe they want to drop you. Okay? Or maybe the emotion. Yun ang kailangan i-alis muna sa situation nito. Okay, so there. Yun ang aking reading for you, Pisces placements. Again, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and follow our FB page, and yung dalawa po nating YouTube channel na nasa description box below. Thank you. Bye!